Going through a divorce can be one of the most challenging times in your life, especially when you have concerns about your financial situation. If you suspect your spouse may be hiding assets or income, the journey to uncovering the truth can be overwhelming. You're not alone. We can help. We have over 180 years of combined experience. We're former special agents, federal investigators, and certified fraud examiners. There's no better team in the business. We specialize in uncovering the financial details that can be crucial for achieving a fair settlement. Our discoveries often have a life-changing impact on our clients, some of whom were completely unaware of any financial deceit. But here's the best part. Our process is clear, our pricing is simple and straightforward, and we deliver results. That means certainty and the peace of mind you deserve in these trying times. And our clients will tell you that working with us is one of the best decisions they've ever made. This is much more common than you may think. So whether you're suspicious or if you're looking for clarity, if you have questions, talk to your attorney or give us a call. We're here to help. We'll partner with you and get you the answers you deserve.